doing this was extremely hard for me because I love Led Zeppelin so much. I can't just pick 10 songs, so I just took the first 10 that came to mind. Like it was hard, and it's not even in order. I love all their songs so much, and I hate having to pick some. But I was bored again, so I was like, why not do some Led Zeppelin? And I did. So first 10 that came to mind. There you go. Enjoy. Love you. See you tomorrow.